Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I am turning Adam's pants inside out, or inside right. I am making him what I call a silly suit. I love these. First time I saw these was at a Christmas event, and somebody showed up in a suit that was all Christmas print. Now those are the fun people. They show up to a party ready to get down and get loud. I wanted to show you a couple things. I'm making this because I'm working on a collab, and I need a suit coat for one of my Smart Doll boys. And so this is my mock-up, or first go is what I call it. I've sewn my facing into my front of my suit, and I want to show you how I get my corners squared out. Once I use my pokey thing, and that's what I use to iron. First, this is called finger pressing, and you press something up against there, and then you take your fingers and you stretch that stitching. Let me show you here. If you'll take a pokey thing, this is a Chinese restaurant wooden chopstick. I use these a lot. In fact, Aaron, I need to go because I couldn't find such a sacrifice.
If we have to.
I run that up the seam to stretch it. But you'll see, let me put this up against here so you can see it better. There's still a little bit in there. And what I do is I take a straight pin and I grab that corner and I pull that out very carefully, firmly but gently, because you don't want to pull that stitching out. Now most of your stitches will lay flat and you can work them out, but not always. So you just grab that and pull it out, and of course then you take it to the ironing board. So those two are ready. In the meantime, I am working on skirts for Winterfest. The theme this year is space, and I have this space print. That is not sideways. This print goes every which way. I really like this with the shiny, just a little skirt to go in the goodie box. So that's where I am with all this. I'll show you in a minute how everything comes out for Adam. Okay, here he is looking like a used car salesman or a guy that's really going to have fun at a gamer party. He has on his good shoes, the black tennis shoes. There are some changes I would make. It's a little large. Again, this is from Missy's Imaging, and it is not made for a Smart Doll. It's made for a 1/3 scale doll. So I'm going to adjust it for Smart Doll. But I don't hate it. I don't hate it. The arms need to be a little shorter. We need to take the shoulders in just a little bit. And with all the lining and everything, that's going to take some doing. I did not add a shirt underneath. I just have his stain stopper. I was saying that I wish that this was cut a little different, and actually I like this stain stopper because with it being wide, I can leave it open to hide a neck, or I can pull it tight like for this and be covered from that black. That I like. I've decided I like. But as you can see, it does need a few things. Now the pants pattern is my own. I did a little something different with those, trying something. I like them the way they were. The back looks like this. I think it needs a collar. But if you had a shirt collar, of course, it would come out. This is the Missy Imaging gift wrap pattern. If I were doing this again, I would take this split in the suit up past this port right here. That's the stand port where my thumb is. And that's just another inch, so that would work out. But here it is, my first go with the pattern. I don't hate it. I think he's actually quite comical in it. And if he really did go to a gamer party like that, what fun he would have. He would be the life of the party. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave your advice and ideas in the comments, and also tell me, are you a gamer? Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. One thing, he does have the eyes of my little gamer still in her Winterfest PJs from last year. She also loves that gamer print. And look, isn't this cute? It's a little keychain. What'd you start to say?
I was going to say that's really a whimsical print.
It is whimsical. Yeah.